In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream to Discord in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a seasoned Discord user or someone just starting out, sharing your screen or gameplay can be an impactful way to connect with your community or friends. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to access Discord itself. Open up your web browser and head over to the Discord website. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so. Just click on the Login button on the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts. But assuming this is all sorted, we'll get right to the next step. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Discord homepage, which is the central hub for everything you do in Discord. From here, you're going to either select a server you're already a part of or join a new one. If you're joining a new server, you should have an invitation link handy, which will take you directly to the server you're interested in. If you're already part of a server, simply click on its icon on the left sidebar to open it up. Next, within the server, you'll want to look for voice channels. Voice channels are typically listed under a section called Voice Channels on the server's sidebar. Look for a channel you want to join and click on it. You should see and hear the confirmation that you're connected. With your voice channel selected, the next step is to start sharing your screen. This option is typically located at the bottom of your screen, represented by a monitor icon with an arrow pointing up. Click on the Share button, and a new window will pop up, giving you options on what exactly you want to share. Discord allows you to share your entire screen, a specific application, or a particular browser tab. Select your preference. Adjust any audio settings if necessary, and then confirm by clicking Go Live. And just like that, you're streaming on Discord. It's a great tool for collaborating, playing games with friends, or showcasing something cool you're working on. Remember, while streaming, be mindful of what's being shared, especially if it's your entire screen, to avoid any accidental sharing of sensitive information. There you have it. Now you're ready to engage with your audience or friends in a completely different and interactive way on Discord. With this newfound skill, you can create even more engaging experiences on this versatile platform. Happy streaming, and we'll catch you in the next video.